Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes. We're starting with the dry ingredients. First, grab a large bowl and combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of salt. Give these dry ingredients a good whisk until everything is thoroughly combined. This ensures your pancakes will rise beautifully and have a consistent flavor throughout. It's a simple but crucial first step. Now, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, gently whisk 1 large egg with 1 cup of milk. Then, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir it into the wet mixture. Once that's ready, pour the wet ingredients directly into your bowl of dry ingredients. Mix them together until they are just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly normal and actually help create those wonderfully fluffy pancakes we all love. Do not overmix. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them gently and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Patience is key for perfect pancakes. And there you have it. Your stack of delicious, homemade pancakes is ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Whether you prefer classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even chocolate chips, these light, fluffy, and perfectly golden pancakes are sure to be a hit. This recipe typically yields about 8 to 10 pancakes, perfect for a wonderful breakfast or brunch. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.